So one of our stops on the cruise was Roatan, Honduras. We booked a VIP tour through a company called Shore Excursions, which is basically a private driver. And a nice lady named Nicole, who's lived on the island her whole life. She knows where everything is. So we took a tour through a rum factory and a chocolate factory. It was okay. Along the way, we mentioned we'd like to do some snorkeling after my wife found out it was the second largest reef in the world. And so she said, I know somebody for that. So she called William here, and he was just coming in with a group. So we were the only two people on the boat. He took us down the way, and it was absolutely beautiful. We had a great time. Check out this footage. Apparently these fish really like bread. It's beautiful on camera, but it was even better in person. If you like that sort of stuff, put this one on your list. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Bye.